The Lancaster County STEM Alliance is committed to ensuring the prosperity of Lancaster County through workforce development initiatives like the Educator Externship. Over the next 2 days, K-12 educators will spend time at advanced cooling technologies, where they will learn firsthand the skills and dispositions needed in today's workforce.
ACT is very involved in research and development, engineering, technology. So the whole STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is core to what we do here at ACT. We provide cooling and thermal solutions for a broad range of electronics, ranging from satellite thermal control to electronics on submarines and pretty much everything in between. We do a lot of research and development for government programs. We do a lot of military and aerospace hardware, working on lots of programs for when we eventually go back to the moon. This externship, working with the Lancaster County STEM Alliance, invited teachers in to see our facilities, talk with our engineers, do some hands-on work that they can learn how we use the curricula that they teach in their classrooms every day here at ACT and how we integrate it and make use of those technologies.
The STEM Alliance has worked diligently to try to coordinate what educators teach and what businesses need to ensure that we have the workforce that addresses the workforce needs of Lancaster County today and tomorrow.
From my experiences, teachers are big influences on my life, my career. If I look back, I can remember a lot of great mentors, great influencers from my teachers. So I think us working with the teachers in Lancaster County can help influence our next generation students, trying to influence them to become science, technology, engineering, and math oriented.
Having started teaching 25 years ago, businesses like advanced cooling technology weren't even around when I went to college. And so to be able to go out and see what these businesses are doing now and how students can apply what we're teaching in the classroom, what they're learning in the math classroom for them to become more marketable is something that I'd like to see. So the Pong activity that we played was a great interactive way for us to learn what heat transfer looks like. I could see myself using that in my AP Calculus class after the exam is over, as it connects real well with the physics and thermodynamics.
I would definitely recommend the externship to other teachers. This is my third externship, and I come back year after year because of the experience is unique every single time, and the different people that I meet and the skills that I learn that I can take back to my students, real world STEM. I can see things firsthand as opposed to being able to just stand in front of my classroom and tell students this is what they do. I can come back and say this is what I learned from those people in the workplace, as well as the lessons that they had us do in their sessions. We came back with activities, materials, lesson plans, and not only that, but the connections to the people that work here. We can connect with them when we leave.
So our goal over the next 2 days is that K-12 teachers can see firsthand the skills and dispositions needed in today's workforce. We want them to take those lessons learned and be able to apply them in their classroom to real-world, authentic learning experiences that connect both their curriculum and their standards with real-world application.